Welcome to the Daily Review. This is Fed Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and today is November 20th, 2024, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, Nvidia pivots higher before its earning reports today. No major economic events scheduled for today, so we do have that Nvidia corporate earnings. Now looking at the market, starting out with the Forex symbols, the major pair is really unchanged. The Canadian dollar does push higher for itself. However, looking at the rest of the markets, the Dow Jones inches lower while we're seeing the NASDAQ push higher, actually interference there. Now looking at commodities, gold and oil really wavering. And as we look at the stocks, it's the tech sector that pushed higher yesterday. And lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin continues to tease us on that upper range, looking for that breakout. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here we go with the Euro USD. We get a little pivot downwards here in the Euro USD, but it's really not a big move. I mean, it's about 30 pips. And yeah, it's a double top here, and we're kind of like just slowing down our downwards momentum, okay? I mean, we'd really have to test those lows again. Now, looking at Canadian dollar, did get stronger versus the USD. You could see that. That's significant. 140.84 to 139.70. That's about a 100 pip retracement for the Canadian dollar. Now remember, we've, depreciated versus US dollar quite significantly. And we're looking at that monthly chart. We're right there. Okay, we're at monthly resistance level, and that's where we decided to retrace a little bit. Now looking at the Japanese yen, just slightly weaker versus the dollar. So the pairs are not in tandem, which means it's all per se. Now looking at crude oil, also did get a little pivot higher after hitting that support level of $66, but not much of a change. And gold wavering just a little bit lower. Now looking at the US markets, right? So here we go. The NASDAQ had a big day yesterday on the upside. We rallied over 200 points, and the Dow Jones just rallied lower actually. Now looking at the individual stocks, let's take a look at Nvidia, as that is getting stronger right before this earning report today, before the open in the US, and that's going to be very important. Now it's at 144 right now, and it might move to its highs. Just need to know where its highs are, so keep that in mind. It's hard to see this on these charts because they did break out. I mean, that's the best you can do. It's close to its all-time record highs. I mean, its all-time record highs are 147. So keep an eye on it, all right? It's going to be before the open, and that's a big deal. Now, looking at Amazon, also pushed higher yesterday, and Google also had a nice day on the upside. So the tech stocks are pivoting higher, and everybody's eyes is on Nvidia, not just because it's one of the largest caps, but everything is really just focusing on AI right now. Now, looking at Bitcoin, I mean, can't tease you more than that. I mean, it's at 93,800, retraces to 91,900, okay, at $3,000 range, okay, and right now we find ourselves in the middle of that, but it may push higher if Nvidia does as well, so keep that in mind. This is Fed Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.